Hello and welcome to another video from Embrace the Journey. This one's going to be Karen doing her baking magic. She's making pecan sticky buns. They are delicious. But there's a story behind this one. I've got a fellow YouTube creator that I follow. Her name is Molly Ann. She's really great. She's an artist, she's a baker, and she has these fantastic doll houses with all the miniature furniture. She selects it all, she puts it all together, she wires these houses. I'm going to put her link in this video if you want to pop over there and see some of the amazing things Molly Ann does. Anyway, Molly Ann had a contest on her channel. She said if you were to write a comment and do a like, that she would go through them and pick out a name, and you would win some of her own vanilla extract that she makes. Well, I never win anything, ever, except once. I think I was at a law enforcement convention. My name got picked and I won a flashlight. Other than that, I never win anything. So the next day, I get contacted by another YouTube creator named Tracy, and she says, T, you won. So I zipped over to Molly's channel, and sure enough, I did. And what I won was this beautiful bottle of vanilla extract. And so I told Molly I would use her vanilla extract in one of the videos we're doing. So Molly, this is the one. We added your vanilla extract into these pecan sticky buns, and it's perfect. So enjoy the video. I hope it makes your mouth water, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
I'm getting ready to make sticky pecan buns. I'm using a large muffin pan, and all of these, of course, are brand names, have some brand name on it. I am not pushing any brands in this thing. I use a variety of brands. So I'm using oil, vegetable oil, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and the vanilla that was that T1, and some sour cream, brown sugar, honey, sugar flour, and the pecans, butter, 3 eggs. And I made these little things from foil cutouts that I'm going to put in the bottom of the muffin tins so that it's easier to take them out because it will be sticky. 1 stick of the unsalted butter in there. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. That's packed, of course, packed. Put it in here along with 1/3 cup of honey, and I'm going to stir it, heat it up till it's dissolved, and it'll take about 2 minutes. So 1/3 cup of honey. I always spray my measuring cup that I'm going to put the honey in so it'll pour right out. Put it over the burner, put it under some medium heat, stir it. So it's nice and dissolved. Meanwhile, I'm going to take the muffin pans and I'm going to put my foil in here. Stir it. See, I can't do 2 things at once. Make sure it's flat on the bottom. Some of that, when you pour it in there, will seep under a little bit. The purpose of that is so it'll invert easier. You have to invert it when it's warm. I will I'll pour this mixture in, and then I'll put in 1 tablespoon of the chopped pecans. Right. 3 eggs. Go right into the mixer. There's nothing in the mixer yet. 2 cups of sugar. This, of course, will be the low-calorie sugar. Just kidding. I'm gonna mix it up in my KitchenAid. It's getting clear, it's getting dissolved. I'm just gonna keep stirring that, and then I'm gonna come over here and start measuring my flour. Measuring my flour. It calls for 2.5 cups. One. 2. And a half. A teaspoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together. Incorporate this stuff in there good. 1 cup of sour cream. 1 cup of vegetable oil. And this already has a measuring cup, which is why I keep this thing around. I don't know if they make them anymore, but 1 cup. These are in 1/3 cup increments. And then I'll add 2 teaspoons of this wonderful vanilla. Thank you, Molly. We're going to give it a try. It's got the vanilla in there.
And she made that.
She did. 2 teaspoons of the wonderful vanilla. Mix it up. Meanwhile, while that's mixing, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put, remember the butter, honey, brown sugar mixture? We're going to put about 1.5 tablespoons in each one of these muffin cups. Now we're going to put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now we're going to put about a tablespoon of pecan in this. It's about 1/3 of a cup. I have a number 12 scoop, so that's what I'm using. Just going to level it out. Pop it in the oven for 25 minutes. Yeah, I said 25 minutes. You should probably try 20 and then look at them. These look a little well done, but I think they'll be fine. And that's that. You bake it. That honey mixture kind of rises up to the side, so that's why you got to do this while it's still warm. Cut it away from the edges, and then we got to invert it fairly quickly while the honey and brown sugar mixture is still warm. So so it won't stick to the pan. And then I suggest cleaning your pan pretty quick, or else it'll be a big mess.
The pecans, the honey, and it makes it sticky.
And if they don't all come out, I'm just kind of taking some out of the bottom of the pan and putting it on top. Here they are, they're done, and they're not perfect, of course. This one's a little messed up, but they're gonna taste divine. The worst part is cleaning up those pans. I let them soak and then just dig in, and we will enjoy these in just a little bit. These do stay good at room temperature for, if they last that long, 2-3 days. And it's better instead of cold. If you do put them in the fridge, then be sure and heat it up.
Thanks, Molly, for the vanilla.
Yes, Molly, thank you. So what the, oh, sorry, Molly, yeah.
And Tracy, too bad you're not eating these. I know you want to.
But go ahead and make them. Feel free. Have fun. Enjoy. Teach your kids and grandkids. Bye.
So here it goes. Karen's a good baker. These are really good. I can taste the vanilla in it, Molly. Absolutely perfect. If you're going to do them, I'm going to put the recipe along with the video somewhere down in the description so you can see all the ingredients and make some. Karen's got some nice sticky buns.